So this was our last morning in Prague before we headed out to Vienna, and this was a typo. I guess that's not a typo. It's whatever, a misfire. This was one of the most beautiful churches I have ever seen in my life. This is St. Nicholas Church in Prague. I probably took more pictures here than I took in any other church, but I did take a picture. I think it's the next one in the roll. I took a picture of James standing in it so you could see, here it is, how big this church was. It was absolutely insane. So then we went to the train station. We boarded our train. We actually got business class for this flight, which is not as fancy as it sounds. But we did get nice big seats, and we got some free food and drinks, and it was a lovely day in the country. So I think this was a 4-hour trip. So we got to read and watch some things, and the people behind us were insanely loud. And because it was a longer trip, I had 2 snacks. Then we got to our hotel, which was a really cute little boutique hotel, and our room was super cute too. There was one night that it rained, so we just opened up that little door and listened to the rain. Then we went to this cemetery. This was actually the cemetery that Mozart's remains are reported to have ended up. Nobody's quite sure if these are definitely his remains, but that's where his grave marker is. And yes, he is that Mozart. It was a beautiful evening in the cemetery, and we actually had left, and my feet were super sore. We were walking back to the train, and I realized I had dropped my sweater somewhere in the cemetery, so we had to walk all the way back to the cemetery and kind of retrace our steps to find my sweater again. And we found this tree that had this old faded black and white picture on it. I wish I knew the story. There's also a tree growing out of a grave. This cemetery was pretty overgrown, but it was still really cool, and it was a good first day in Vienna. We ended it with some Spaetzle, and stay tuned for more of Vienna.